So the next part, once you get that trimmed to where it needs to be, is getting the wires exposed. So you don't want to go too tight. There's 3 conductors in here with a little bit of sheathing on each conductor. So you'd want to avoid getting any nicks in the wires when you strip this back, but you get that cut away, and then you can take the cover off of the IDC, slide it into your crimp gun, and then crimp them in the correct order. So it's the gray wire first in the crimp gun, then your blue wire for the black harness in the crimp gun, and then your black wire. So once you've got them crimped and they're all crimped well there, sometimes it might be necessary to trim these wires so that they're not hanging out too far, so that the cap fits more securely. So now that'll sit on there, it won't easily pop off. The next thing is do the same thing. You kind of know where your black set of wires is going to land. So then mark with your thumb again where the gray set of wires is going to land. And these ones can be cut together because they're on the same terminal. Cut those away. And then do the same thing, strip away the color coding sheathing on here so that you can get to the conductors. So you've got your conductors out, you take your cover off, put your IDC into the crimp gun. This one is going to go gray, red, and then black. Pull that out, trim up your wires on the end here. And then put your cover on. So now we'll know right where these need to go. So when we're done commissioning, or when we get to commissioning, you'll be able to plug your black in there, your gray in there, and your wires will kind of come down to the side and look nice there. I'm going to unplug these just for the time being until we do get to the commissioning. This is going to be long enough. So it'll be the exact same process all the way through on these. So that'll swoop in and up nice.